Hi everybody, this is Jason from Boatshed Plymouth. Today we're on board this Freeward 35 motor vessel that we have listed here in the Plymouth area. I'm just going to be doing a short internal video of this vessel's wheelhouse, forward cabin and heads, so you can get a feel for how she's laid out. Just going to start off by panning around so you can get a feel for the fantastic 360 visibility on this vessel, afforded by these huge, very strong looking windows all around the wheelhouse. And then back to the helming position. Really nicely laid out. Everything to hand for the skipper. And a nice array of electronics and safety equipment also. Okay, just moving down now into the forward cabin. The first thing that strikes me here is the huge amount of headroom. I'm 5'11", and the headlining's towering above me here. Obviously this section of the boat could be used for many applications, depending on what you want to use the boat for. Storage or berthing. And on the port side of the vessel, we have again a very sizable heads with a pumped sea toilet. Again, masses of headroom. Just stepping up again into the wheelhouse for a final look around. Should you have any questions regarding this vessel, please don't hesitate to contact me, jason@boatshedplymouth.com, and of course you can see a full listing on our website at boatshedplymouth.com. Thanks for watching.